So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss with you an exciting job opportunity floated by Pepsi on its website, which is particularly for freshers. So if you are a fresher looking for a job, this is an amazing opportunity for you which they have floated on their website. And today I'm going to discuss about how you can apply for this role, what is the eligibility criteria, job description, and the interview rounds and the questions and answers that are asked for this particular role. So in case you are interested in this kind of video, please consider watching this very carefully till the end. And in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So friends, regarding this opening, this is for the role of financial planner. So here they haven't written that you need to be a finance graduate or BCom graduate. Any graduate can apply. 12th pass will not be able to apply, but graduates will be able to apply. So if you have interest in this kind of job role, you can apply. And regarding the job description, they haven't mentioned anything about the job description. All they have written is that freshers can apply for this job. But I'll tell you briefly what exactly a financial planner does. So a financial planner usually prepares a financial budget for a year. So in that budget you will decide how much company will have expenditure on advertisement, on marketing activities, on launching any new product, so doing any kind of research work or any of these things. So you have to control the finances of the company and prepare annual budget, and company has to ensure that they spend money in that particular budget only. So this is about this role, and of course since they are allowing any kind of freshers, they will train you on this role for a particular period of time. And regarding now the salary for this role, salary again is not mentioned, but what I have read on the internet, it is between 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. Pepsi gives this much salary to 0 to 1 year experienced candidates, so it will be in this range, which is pretty good. And regarding the interview rounds, only two rounds are there usually. One is with the manager, and next round is with the HR. Now friends, I'll take you to my computer screen and I'll show you how you can apply for this role and what can be the questions that can be asked for their interview process. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and first I'll discuss some of the interview questions that can be asked for this particular job role. So these can be: why do you want to work in the CPG industry and why particularly PepsiCo? So CPG is nothing but FMCG industry, fast moving consumer goods. So why you want to work in this industry and why PepsiCo? So here you have to tell good things about this industry and PepsiCo. And then what do you know about PepsiCo and its products? So do some research on the company, when it was formed, where is its headquarter, and what are the products. So I'll tell you some of the products are Pepsi, of course, then Mirinda is also a product of PepsiCo, then Kurkure is a product of PepsiCo, then Ruffles Lays is also their product only. So these kind of products are manufactured by them. If you were a PepsiCo product, what would you be and why? So there you have to think about, first you have to read about the products and think about this answer. They ask these type of imaginary questions also. Why this role and what is your weakness? So why this role? Here you have to tell your strengths related to this role. So they can be anything. You have interest in accounts and finance, you have good communications, so these are required. What is your weakness? So I have answered this many times. Talk about a time where you displayed leadership qualities, because they are also just like Amazon, very fond of people who have leadership qualities. So here you have to use star approach. Talk about a time when you overcame a challenge in your life, so that also you can think about. Then, if we decide to launch a new product in the market, what factors should we consider before launching? So this is a role based question, so that you can also prepare accordingly. Now I'll show you how you can apply for this role. So I floated this on my website. So they have given this assistant manager, and you can check on my website about this job. So I floated this here. You can read the details, and then if you feel comfortable, just go for apply for this particular job, and then you will be redirected directly to the website of Pepsi where they have floated this role. So here you can clearly see freshers with good communication skills, and if you feel comfortable, just go to apply, and then you will have to sign in. You will have to make an account. If you don't have an account, you can make. It is on their website only, so there is no issue. Just go for agree, and then email address, password, re-enter password, and select a question in case you forget your password, and then continue, and then your account will be created, and with the help of that you will be able to apply. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you, and in case you want to get your CV rectified for this role or any other job role, you can check out the link in the description. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.